In this video, I'll show you must-have mods that make GTA San Andreas fun and modern to play again. Check my video description for this mod link. Right-click on the required files and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. No stuff here. Right-click on the game and select Open File Location. For installing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the required files, then drop all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination, and then go back. Open the Neo Vision. Open the folder to game folder. Depends on your PC spec. Choose the folder. Drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination, and then go back. Open lag fix. Drag and drop these two files inside the game folder, and then go back. Open the Paradise. Open the folder. Add in mod loader. Just drag and drop to the mod loader folder. So done, go back. Open the roads HT all city. Drag and drop these files inside the mod loader. Now open the mod loader folder. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name it as vehicle. Press enter. Back in mods. And open this car pack. And drop all these files inside the vehicle folder we created. Once you done this, go back to San Andreas folder and open the or settle trainer. Drag and drop this Clio inside the game folder. Now find 14,000 KB file. Right click, show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. Once you are in game, press the F2 to open up this trainer and use the up arrow and down arrow to choose options. To select option, press enter. To go back, press the backspace key in the keyboard. Now I show you guys how to spawn vehicles. Go to vehicles options, vehicle spawning, cars. Choose the car you like to spawn. Press the F2 to close this menu. This way you can spawn any cars you like. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.